Hello guys, thank you for tuning in, and today we are going to be modifying a 51 Chevy. We are going to be notching the performer intake just like Edelbrock's RPM air gap type style intake. What that notch does is help the four bells feed over to each side of the cylinder evenly instead of just capping them off and not letting fuel and air get pulled in evenly as it is needed. So by doing this, it's pretty simple. Just watch. Well, the first step into modifying this is make sure nothing gets down inside your cylinders. So basically what you want to do is take some rags and shove them in a pretty good ways. Now I'm just going to be doing this by eye, but the tools you will need basically, if you're just doing it by eye, like me, you won't need a Sharpie. But if you actually are using a Sharpie, then you can actually color this in down where you want to go, as far down evenly on both sides and come up right here. But I'm just going to notch this down by eye. What you will need is an angle grinder and a grinding wheel, safety glasses, and ear protection. I'm just going to wear safety glasses, but don't do as me. Get ear protection too. So here we go. Now you want to make sure you get all this aluminum out. Some of it is going to fall back in though. But you can take an air hose and blow most of it out. Now, it's best to do this off the car. But this aluminum is so soft that usually, if any does make it in after you blow it out, that it don't affect nothing. But definitely be sure to blow it out the best you can. And if you're doing this on a cast intake, take it off. Cast is harder than aluminum and can make a mess of stuff. But as you can see, we got us notched pretty good. It ain't the prettiest notch, but it will do the job. So now we will set the carburetor on it after we put a gasket on it. Where'd the boat go? You can go ahead and set your carburetor back on. We actually went from an Edelbrock to a Holly, so there's some stuff we still got to do, and we still got to clean up the intake back off and probably just clean this whole engine bay soon. But this is a carburetor. You can watch the video on us painting it. We painted this Holly. That also we build videos of different carburetors and stuff on my channel, so go check them out if you're interested. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button, drop me some comments in the section below. Always be safe when you do any kind of modification to your car, and always disconnect the battery. So I see you on the next video.